Welcome. If you're looking to allow phone access for Telegram on your device, you're in the right place. Giving Telegram the right permissions ensures you can make calls, receive verification codes, and enjoy a seamless messaging experience. Let's walk through the updated steps together. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your device's settings. This is usually represented by a gear icon and can be found on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps, App Management, or sometimes Applications, depending on your device. Tap to open it. Inside the Apps menu, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Scroll through the list, or use the search bar to quickly find Telegram. When you spot the Telegram app, tap on it to access its specific settings. Now look for the option called Permissions. This section controls what features and data Telegram can access on your device. Tap Permissions, and you'll see a list of items like camera, contacts, microphone, and phone. To allow phone access, tap on Phone. Here, you'll be presented with a few permission options. Select Allow. This gives Telegram the ability to make and manage calls, which is important for features like voice calls and for verifying your account when you sign up or log in. Once you've allowed phone access, you're all set. Telegram now has the necessary permissions to function smoothly, especially for calling features and account security. If you ever want to change this setting, just revisit the permissions section and adjust access as needed. Remember, you're always in control of what Telegram can access on your device. Thanks for following along with these simple steps. Now you can enjoy all the features Telegram has to offer, knowing your permissions are set up just right.